So this will be your analog inputs and outputs. So to access the registers related to these analogs I/O for the built-in PLC, right click register to window, and also register to window for the outputs. Right, so let's have a closer look at these. Okay, so for the analog inputs, these would be the special relays, and these would be your special devices. That's for inputs. For outputs, special relays, special devices. So relays will always be a bit data type, and registers will always be a word data type. Right, so each one of them comes with a predefined, predetermined function, which is built into the hardware, firmware of the hardware. Okay, so if you look at your, so these will be your conversion, scaling, your alarms, maximum and minimum, scaling again, clipping, warning outputs, your alarms. These are the values which we require. So we can see the channel 1, channel 2, your digital output value, which means it's the value that will be stored in your PLC related to the analog signal being received, milliamps, a voltage, 0 to 10 volts, scaled onto the 16-bit resolution of that input. Okay, so this would be your operation values, and these would be your voltage monitor values. Okay, so let's assume you want to find out what your voltage monitor value is. Okay, so ST6022. So we'll open the manual viewer. And we will search for special device or register 6022. Let it search. Right. So let's just have a look at what's applicable. Okay, so 6022. So it stores the analog input voltage value. So that's the voltage being measured. Digital output will be your resolution value. Okay, so all your built-in hardware device registers will be found here, known as your special register list, each one with its functionality. Let's see if there's any other value with valuable information. No, just a repeat here. How to use the analog signals and so on. Okay. Right. Let's look at the same for our input and output here. So first things first, we register to the intelligent window. So everything built into the CPU will have special devices. Okay, that's the format of a special device. The add-on modules will have buffer memories. So these will be your buffer memory address formats. U1 means unit 1, so which means the first unit connected. on your PLC, and unit 2 will be your second one. Okay, and then ADP means adapter 1, adapter 2. Right, so let's go back to the intelligent function modules here, and we can see all of the values, the scaling, the output values. So in other words, these ones will be the ones that you'll use in your program based on the resolution of the card, and yeah, the types of functionality. Notice that if it's a word, it would display it as a G value, and if it's a bit, in other words a relay, it would be a G value dot 0, G value dot 1, which means the second bit or bit 2 of that word, and so on. These are all accessible in your PLC program to read and write monitor values. So all of this needs to be taken into account when designing your program. Same goes for your unlock outputs. So I register the function module, then you will see unit 2, that's your register G69, bit 1, bit 2, all the way to bit F. And you will find what you need from alarms, set points, statuses of outputs, and what we'll actually be interested in will be the digital values. So these will be the values that will be written out to your unlock output channel.